Namaskar. I'm Sunil here. Today we're going to show you aloo cheese paratha. This is very popular in India, especially the northern part of country, as well as 2 cups maida, that is all-purpose flour, 1 cup flour, that is wheat flour, atta. Then we have 200 grams of grated Amul cheese, oil, turmeric, jeera, whole cumin, butter. Then we have one whole potato, boiled and grated. Then we have chili powder, dhania powder, cumin powder, chopped chilies, garlic, onion, chopped dhania, salt and hing. To start with, I washed my hands. So I've taken this maida, which is of 2 cups. This is atta, wheat flour, little bit of salt. Mix it. Take 2 spoon of oil. Mix it. Add little bit of water. The dough has to be nice, soft, not hard dough, and not very soft also. I will show you. Some oil. I have added a little bit of oil. Now knead the dough. Dough is almost ready. I knead it for around 8 to 10 minutes. See? Okay, start. Ready now. Finished. Dough is ready. Now, see this is bouncing back. So let's keep for half an hour. We put little oil on top and then put a wet cloth and rest for half an hour. Till then we'll start with the next procedure. I have kept a kadai. It's getting heat up. Let's put oil inside. 2 chammach oil. Let's add whole cumin, onion, saute for a minute, half a minute, till translucent. We don't have to thoroughly cook this onion. It has to be just translucent for half a minute. Now add chopped garlic. Then add green chilies. Add red chili powder, dhania powder, cumin powder and little bit of turmeric, not too much. Saute for 10 seconds. Make the flame slow. Just saute to remove the rawness of the masala. As I said, you don't have to cook it because we need to get the crunchiness of the onion. Then I grated potato. This is 1 potato. Now turn off the gas because we're going to add cheese. So let it cool down a little bit and then we will add cheese. Gas is off and let the mixture cool down before we add the cheese. Now we'll add little dhania, chopped dhania and salt, स्वाद अनुसार. Gas is off, let it cool down and then we'll add cheese. Now we can substitute with paneer, grated paneer, or we can use chicken keema. If anybody is non-veg, they can use chicken keema, they can use the meat keema, mutton keema. So, but for that you have to saute the mutton separately, chicken separately, and then add into this masala. Right. Mixture is cooled down now. Now we'll add little bit of hing and we'll have this grated shredded Amul cheese. As I said before, you can use paneer, you can use chicken mix, or you can use mutton mix, whatever you like. Let's toss it little bit before we start making our stuffed aloo cheese paratha. Let's check our atta. आधा घंटा हो गया, half an hour is over. That's good. Very well kneaded. Now we'll make small pieces for paratha. Our griddle is getting hot, and keep the griddle on a medium flame, not on high or this low. Let it cook nicely because the paratha has to be cooked. Roll it as thin as possible, so very easy to cook. Now let's put this mixture on top of this. Here you see, then just fold one side, take another side, fold this, and then fold this. देखा आपने? Put little atta, little flour, and slightly roll it. Don't put too much pressure. Slightly roll it. Make it like a rectangular shape. देख लिया आपने? Now griddle is on medium heat. Put little oil, not too much, little bit. Let's put the paratha. Remove all the excess flour. What is there? I'm starting with the next one as this is cooking on a medium. Okay. So let's do the next paratha. Now this mise en place you can make well in advance also. कोई guest आया, मेहमान आया, it's very fast. It's not that difficult. The mixture we can make and keep in the fridge. ऐसे कुछ बड़ी बात नहीं है. The dough it takes only half an hour to set. Rest. Take little flour, not too much, and then slightly just roll it in rectangular shape. That's good. nice color. You have to cook both the sides to get nice golden color. As our first paratha is getting cooked, the second one is ready. Let's keep ready. Let's turn. See, and don't forget this sides. This has to be cooked. Otherwise, it will be raw. Make sure this is cooked on a medium flame. That's why I said keep the griddle on medium flame gas, so it is cooked evenly. You see this? This is still raw here. So let it cook. Get it ready. You see the color. The sides also are cooked. It's not raw. Turn it one more side. Put butter, little butter on top. Paratha ready. A second stuffed aloo cheese paratha on its way. See, so well cooked. See the size. I've added a little butter before serving, or you can add a makkan, that is loni, and here it is. Serve with mango pickle and dahi, plain white dahi.